Hey guys, today on the workbench I've got a Century battery tester that we use at work for the 12 volt car batteries. The problem I'm having is that one of the clamps is broken, so the spring has snapped and it just doesn't work anymore. So we're going to fix that today. Let's get going. Okay, so the first step is we're going to remove the wire from the old connector. We've got to remember that the black wire connects to the terminal, see in there, and the green wire connects to the clamp itself. So the long wire connects to the clamp, short wire connects to the terminal. Easy. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, so to start we're just going to cut it off. I'm using a simple set of wire cutters and easy. I'm going to strip back the wire using this set of wire strippers, just like that, and again, pull it off, and there we go. We're ready to attach the new connector. Okay, I've got the new clamp ready. It's just a simple copper terminal, and we've got the two wires from the cable running under this little hook and through the crimp section. We've got the green wire is going to connect to the top side of the terminal, and the black wire goes through and is going to be soldered on right next to where it clamps to the battery. Very simple. One thing to keep in mind though is that to make it look professional, we're going to keep these covers on the wire before we solder it, so we can just slide them back on. Nice and easy. To ensure that we've got the wire connected properly, we're just going to crimp the copper terminal there. So we're just going to bend it over. Whoop. Perfect. And again. Perfect. There we go. Okay, that just adds a bit of stability so when we're using it, it doesn't break as easily. Okay, so I've got my soldering iron nice and hot. The solder melts quickly. I don't have to wait for it to melt. I'm going in here. Sorry, I'll just get the camera to follow me a little bit. Perfect. I'm going to heat up the copper. So just let the iron rest there for a couple seconds. Feed in the solder. Okay, it's going in nicely. Come on. This never works well when you're on camera, but there we go. We got ourselves a nice little solder connection there. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, we've got the second connection. I'm going to do the same thing. Heat up the copper, flow the solder in, and make sure we've got a solid connection there. And is that wire attached fully? You don't want to half-ass this. It's got to be good, otherwise you'll regret it later. Okay, all set. Okay, so I've got my covers for the handles, so I'm just going to slide them over like that, and come on, like that, and there we go. You got yourself a brand new connector for the Century battery tester. Cheers.